SMC Works is one of the most successful programs that I've had the opportunity to be a part of in my 34 years in public human services work.
I didn't think it was, it's like, okay, getting paid to go to school and you get a job afterwards. I really didn't believe in it, but everything turned out just like they said. I'm
Beverly Beasley Johnson, and I'm director of the Human Services Agency for San Mateo County. Last year, San Mateo County saw an opportunity with stimulus funding to reach out to our partners, whether they were private, for-profit, nonprofit, government, to leverage resources to provide and match job seekers with workforce demands and allow everyone to win.
Definitely. I would definitely say it changed my life. It changed my daughter's life. It changed everything.
This program has proven itself to be valuable to not only clients, but has proven its value to employers who needed incentives or subsidy to be able to bring new employees into their workforce during a time of great economic downturn.
Renew Laser Clinic, this is Christine.
I was at the point where I was out of money and out of credit and couldn't afford an employee.
The mayor of Pacifica met me at a meeting and said that she just heard about a new program that had people available at a low price or free to work.
Could barely believe it, but I made the call right away and found out what the program was about.
You can hire an employee and the San Mateo County will help you pay for that employee, but in return you need to train them.
Gosh, it sounds too good to be true, but I'll see if you can send me some people. Thank you.
We had, I think, 6 applicants that we interviewed, and all of them were highly motivated.
If somebody comes in and says, I don't know what I'm doing, but boy, I sure think this is fun and I want to learn. That's what I found in these 2 people. One of these things had a bad...
I fixed it already.
From an employer perspective, we wanted to make sure that we were meeting the skills needs for the opportunities and the workforce demand that they had, and creating a perfect match between graduate and employer.
I wouldn't have wanted to go through all those people to find these 2 good ones. They already did the work for me, so I thought that was kind of cool.
I love my Segway job!
The federal government sent the stimulus money to the county and said, use it for subsidized employment. But we wanted it to last way beyond the tenure of this stimulus package. We wanted it to change lives forever. The way to do that is to get them on career paths with education and preparation so they can retain and advance in those jobs.
I've been an employment service specialist for the past 15 years with the County of San Mateo. I've really seen it totally changing their lives, motivating them to grow and get ahead.
It's about restoring dignity, I think, to a lot of these folks.
I've been given a golden opportunity through this program.
Our ultimate goal is to match clients with jobs that they can possibly transition to full-time, and it's also to help them build their skills and gain experience.
When we first heard about the program, we didn't know if we actually needed someone to fill that position. I mean, we could have spread the work throughout the shop, but I think it's important to participate in a program like this because, number one, it gives someone an opportunity to learn a trade, to get back into work, to feel productive. Number 2, it gives a business owner like myself and a business like this an opportunity to grow. I'm able to focus a little bit more on the business instead of just working in the business. So where other shops right now have actually slowed down quite a bit, we're real fortunate, and through hard work we're able to keep busy. And I think Hugo had a part of that. Now we're at a point where we couldn't be without him.
Rock and roll, yeah.
And so we've been able to, we believe, contribute to the recovery of our economy by stimulating employers in San Mateo County who then are able to and have invested in those that we serve.
I interviewed about 3 people and I chose one. My business started picking up because I had someone answering the phone.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
In the last 4 months, I've grown so much that I really have a solid business now. And I can keep the 2 employees, and I'm actually hiring another part-time employee.
When those that we serve do well and our employers do well, our entire community will do well.
Thank you, San Mateo County Works program.
I got a better chance at doing something that I like and that I love.
Thank you, SMC Works, for giving me the opportunity of a lifetime.
It's helping. I don't know what I would have done without the Green Jobs Academy and that program that San Mateo County provided.
It's a win-win for everyone.
And who could believe this? Some days I don't. Some days I don't. There's days that I'm like, oh my God, I really have a job.